Welcome to Jam with Ram, a show where radiologists get to share their feelings, thoughts, tips, mantras. Usually we associate doctors with some really serious stuff, but today we're privileged to have with us very young Dr. Avinash Nanivadekar, all the way from Pune. Welcome, Doctor. I've read your resume and you say that you love to make friends and influence people. What do you mean by that?
Well, I think this world is getting too stressful, and if you don't make friends every day, new friends, then you're really not going to enjoy it to the hilt. The more people you meet and influence them to be your friend without an agenda, I think that makes life more interesting, and you learn with each experience that you move on with.
And that helps make the patient be at ease as well, isn't it, when you deal as a doctor?
I make friends with my patients also, so I think I just follow that line everywhere, whether it's patient, doctor, industry, anything that goes today. It would always be good to have a smiling face on the other side.
You're also known to be an unorthodox teacher and scientist. So could you share some of your unorthodox methods with us?
Sure. I said that.
Yes, Dr. Ram.
Well, I'm a follower of what Ram thinks. You should be thinking on the job. I mean, I would not let my students or my techs or my colleagues do something which they don't believe in. That is very important. And first thing you need to look at is what can you do to deliver the goods completely without going by the textbook. It's important that you think on the job, especially when you're doing any radiology work. You need to give the answer to the doctor and to the patient. You cannot just go by what gospel truth is, and that's what I feel is going to change the way which Ram is looking forward to do with RadAccess, with Cobra, is to make people more conscientious as doctors rather than be driven by industry or whatever. So I think that is one. Second thing is to improvise every time if you're not finding the answer. There's no point breaking your head on something which you don't know. Try to find out the answer whether you're going wrong, and that's where I think unconventional way of teaching I think is the true way to lead the world ahead.
So Dr. Ram, would you agree with?
Absolutely.
Okay.
If you are orthodox, nobody cares you. If you are unorthodox, people will look at you, suddenly tilt their head, and because they get a wake-up call. And in fact, if you speak truth, for example, 25 cases I screwed up. If your title is like that, you will get more audience. And the surgical and medical turf battles with radiologists will get more audience. Because where people fight, the so-called big fights concept. Yesterday he did a outstanding presentation in big fights where he fought with Dr. Chidambar Nathan, who is ICRI chairman. It was, it gave a very lovely feedback by the audience because it was hilarious. Same time, facts were presented.
Yes.
The bitterness was very nicely showcased in the package. You can have cross-functional interactions. It is amazing. Unorthodox really hits you.
And now after radiology, you're also, besides being a radiologist, you're also a cardiologist.
No, I would say not a cardiologist. I would say I would be a radiologist who has special interest in the heart.
In the heart, okay.
Not necessarily the heart like your heart, but definitely a heart which would be close to everybody's passion today, because that's where maximum development is happening in imaging today. People are moving away from the brain and people are moving away from the spine and the joints and the body, and the unexplored area of imaging today remains cardiology imaging, which cardiologists don't have anything much to offer now after a coronary angiogram is done. So rest all is left to the imagination, and imaging scientists like him and me can imagine some things much more better than what cardiologists can think of. So like what some company says, imagination at work, I think it works in the minds of people like Ram and me. And we want to make sure that we will cater to that subset of population of the unhealthy hearts in whom coronary artery imaging is not the only solution. Okay, so there's a lot of population today, not only in India, everywhere in the world, where they need good doctors, stable, sound, not driven by interests, to take this battle right to the cardiologist. And I think Ram and me can do that.
A cardiologist is the one who has stolen the heart of a radiologist. I realized this statement made by Professor Dr. Subbarao once upon a time. We were addressing a lovely radiologist falling in for a cardiologist at the time. But at the same time, he has taken the echocardiography, he has taken the angiography, he has taken the invasive interventional techniques, which are part of radiological curriculum, because X-ray related techniques, X-ray enhanced the digital techniques, everything is a property of where radiologist's family. But cardiologist has stolen it intelligently, or you can say not stolen, he has inherited it in the natural course due to many other environment or ecosystem related reasons. But end of the day, we are in both answering a patient, answering a solution, not a test. So we are for a solution imaging, whether it is functional, anatomical, structural, we have to work together as a team. But again, to do ego massaging continuously is very difficult, because to work with cardiologists is not easy. That means what?
What do you mean by that? Yes.
He respects the heart.
All right.
He is organ specific, whereas we are whole body oriented.
Yes.
If you are subspecialty oriented, like what Dr. Avinash was, we call him affectionately as Nani. As Nani says, that if you are subspecializing in cardiac, you also have to have the skills of how to handle cardiologist, not only how to handle the heart. Because you have to extend, the KT, blast, is the name of the sequence. KT means knowledge transfer.
All right.
Blast is acceleration.
So do they get training in that department as well?
Yeah.
No, the interactive knowledge has to be shared.
Yes.
What
and
you
how
need
do you
to do is, if you need to get into the mind of a cardiologist, you need to think like him, you need to work like him, and you need to go into his area, turf, and then prove yourself. A radiologist will be respected in the cardiology fraternity only if he can stand up and address an audience of 200 cardiologists and deliver his point. That's what I want to do, and I've been doing it in Pune. I mean, I have made friends with every radiologist, every cardiologist in the city of Pune. The reason is because I wanted to drive this right, put the nail on the coffin. You cannot say, I don't know, sir. If you have taken on a task of answering his problem, you make sure you bloody well do it.